Sorkar Jilla ka arpho terik jeliu kalarai ban Pynphuh Pynphing shushu ya kajing itana jong kawa Umiam bat ki saudong saukun nalor kijing ithiang jong kamariang ke baladon lupa minta hakini kejaka. Ya kini karai lashim hakajing yalang kabalalum de umintri rangba ukonrat ki sangma ringkat umintri katana tourism uba polling do. Habakren bikilat pathai Khubor uba pol uloong kini kajing tmu jong ka Sorkar kalong ban Khring yikinong wan jungok kai na kaling ki benta jong ka perthai da ka bapin biang ya kajing don kam babonjat na lor bapin itanat ya kamariang.
Activities, especially water sports, for instance. Then there'll be activities for tourists so that they do not confine themselves to their hotel rooms. There'll be walking space in and around NEHU Park. There'll be facilities for children. Basically, adventure sports will also be encouraged. Then we are also thinking in terms of having, entertainment, water sports entertainment, and such other facilities. We are identifying those activities. This was more of a PowerPoint presentation, organized at the instance of the Chief Minister, where we have a very ambitious plan to redevelop the entire Umiam area, parts of which are now with tourism and TDC, parts of which are with Forest Department. So there's a very ambitious project to expand the MTDC, the units of the MTDC, probably introduce more facilities, more entertainment zones, and also upscale the present accommodation facilities available with Pocket Lake Resort. So we have made substantial progress in the sense that the Department of Forests has indicated its willingness to part with about 300 acres of land for facilitating growth of tourism in that particular hub. And we would like Umiam to be a major tourist attraction of not only Meghalaya but also the entire northeast. So based on that presentation, we will now, the departments concerned have been asked to finalize the rest of details, and in principle we have agreed that we will expand Umiam as a tourist hub of the state of Meghalaya.